Hello everyone, it's Hardthur. Welcome to this new video. You see, a few months ago I had a combo in my second PC of an i7 4790K with a Z97 motherboard and 16GB of DDR3 RAM. And I wondered if I should not just go on AliExpress and purchase one of these really cheap bundles of Haswell CPUs. On this marvelous site you can find really cheap Xeons, including the best price performance one, which is the i5 2620 V3 that is priced from $13 to $18 shipped. Therefore, I bought a bundle of an i5 2620 V3, a X99 motherboard M80X, and 2 sticks of 8GB of DDR4 RAM at 2400 MHz for only $130 shipped to France in under a month. But was it worth it to replace a $200 CPU to a $15 one? That's what we're going to see in this video. The 4790K is overclocked to 4.6 GHz all cores, while the 2620 V3 is clocked at 3.2 GHz all cores. And let me remind you that the i7 has 4 cores and 8 threads, whereas the Xeon has 6 cores and 12 threads. The GPU that will be used is a GTX 1070 Ti overclocked. Let's first start with productivity and raw performance. On Cinebench R15, the 2620 V3 got 956 points and the 4790K got 900 points. On Cinebench R20, the 4790K got 2130 points and the V3 got 2211 points. So you can already know the sequel. On CPU Z, the 4790K got 2513 points in multi-thread and 493 points in single thread, and the V3 got 2613 points in multi-thread and 342 points in single thread. That's really hard to say. Finally, for these raw performance benchmarks, I benchmarked these two CPUs on Geekbench 5, and the Xeon got 823 points in single thread and 4655 points in multi-thread. And the i7 got 1150 points in single thread, which is really funny because it's socket, and 4123 points in multi-thread. We can notice that the i5 2620 V3 beats the 4790K in productivity, and this is really fun to watch. Now, let's see how the i5 2620 V3 performs in games compared to the 4790K. For this benchmark, the videos we're going to see are just samples, they are not the real results. Plus, every benchmark will be only done in 1440p because that's my resolution. In Far Cry 5 with Ultra preset at 1440p, the 4790K got 80 FPS in average and the V3 got 78 FPS. In Assassin's Creed Origins now, high preset, 1440p, the 4790K got 75 FPS and the Xeon got 71. In Assassin's Creed Odyssey now, high preset, 1440p, the 4790K got 67 FPS and the Xeon got 62. In The Division 2, ultra preset, 1440p, the Xeon got 53 frames per second and the 4790K got 55. This game seems to be really GPU bound. If you watch my video about the i9-9900 engineering sample, you can notice that this game had always similar FPS with the 87, 9900 and now 4790K and 2620 V3. Last game, Ghost Recon Wildlands, the 2620 V3 got 68 FPS at very high preset 1440p and the 4790K got 70. Finally, a result that should not be taken seriously. On the user benchmark app, the 4790K got 86.5% and the V3 got 80.4%. So here's the conclusion. Of course I'm so happy. I managed to sold my i7 bundle for $360. That's nearly 3 bundles that I just bought of Xeon. That's a lot of profit. The 2620 V3 is such an amazing CPU for the price. Slightly better than the 4790K in productivity thanks to its 2 extra cores, but a bit weaker than the 4790K overclocked in game, but not by really much. This is such a good purchase and I recommend it to everyone. It is now the end of the video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment and subscribe, it will really make me happy. For the future video, we will see if it's worth paying an extra $40 to buy the E5-2640 V3, which has 2 more cores and has a clock speed of 200 MHz higher than the 2620 V3. Have a great day and see you soon. It was Hardthur.